graduation cap. Today, let's make preschool hat.
Hi friends, welcome back to yet another episode of Meera's Flavor Studio. Today's episode is a DIY. We'll be making a paper graduation cap for their preschool stepping up ceremony, which is going to be held the coming week. The school has provided us with some basic materials that will help us to make the graduation cap, and they are a square top of the graduation cap and a rectangular pieces that goes around their head, and again a twine that will help to make the tassel of the graduation cap. And then the other necessary things that are required would be ruler, pencil, scissor, and some hot glue or stapler, and or even you can use a super glue. So let's get started. To begin with, we are first going to start with that rectangular pieces of poster cards. First we have to measure the head circumference of your child. They have been provided us with 2 poster pieces, or else you need to cut one in whole length. The width of this is 8 centimeters, and then you'll have to draw a 1 centimeter line and cut it at regular intervals that I'll show you shortly. And then you just need to this paper will go around their head in this way, like this. So first of all, you have to take a scale and mark 1 centimeter distance. This is the width over here is 8 centimeter, and I've taken a 1 centimeter distance, and then I've put some lines 4 centimeter distance, and then you will have to just cut it like that. They'll do it till that line, which will improve the strength when we fix the top of the graduation cap.
Slowly cut like this.
She has cut these portions in the lines that we have given, and now we just join those 2 individual rectangular pieces. Make sure that the staplers are flush outside so that it doesn't affect the kid's forehead when you are putting the cap. And this cut portion should be on the top, like the graduation cap's top square portion will be fixed onto this. We'll be doing that shortly. So before that, just to make sure, we'll check if this goes around their head. Yeah, it does. And then we'll put a stapler on the other end as well, so that the bottom portion is now ready. You can either use a stapler or a hot glue as you wish. For the time being, I'm using a stapler. Next, we'll just make this in the zigzag way, so that it will be more sturdy when you fix the top portion of the graduation hat. Now let's continue with the top of the graduation cap. So it's a plain cardboard sheet, and in the instruction it's told that you can decorate on the outside portion of this graduation cap. So then I just thought to get some glitter papers. This is adhesive. You just need to remove the sticker and then you can stick onto it. So there are different colors available in the market for this. So then we just chose pink and blue as they like those colors. And then it's been cut in the shape of this cardboard sheet, and now I'll be sticking this onto this. But before that, make sure you find the center portion of this, so that you'll have to pass in the tassel over. Got the center portion, and now I'll be fixing this glitter part on top of this. Same thing you'll have to do for the other one as well. So before that, we'll just fix this and finish this cap before we move on to the other one. So first you have these portions kept this way, right? So we'll be fixing onto this using super glue or a hot glue. The graduation cap is almost done. We'll just cover the circumference portion also with the same glitter paper. I've cut it in the shape of it. So let's fix it. So that the stapler, everything will get inside this paper. The last step is to make the tassel. So for the tassel, we have been provided with two trains, which is one is blue and other one is yellow. So with the yellow, we'll make that the bottom part of it. So all you have to do is just pass it through your index finger, and then it goes like this. And now take the other twain, the blue one, and I've just passed it through this. I've tied this. This has been given a more strength by rotating it like this. Just tie the blue string tight. Just pass a scissors inside it. So now this is being cut and you get in this way the bottom portion of the tassel. And now this just goes inside your hat. Next, we have just taken some decoration, which is a foam star, and I've just kept it on top of that hole that we have made to pass this tassel. So it's just stuck using this super glue. Next, we are just fixing a border with a little beads like this. Next, we'll be sticking some stickers like this, which is having an ABCD theme. Since they are preschool, I thought it would be good at the border of this. So we'll just stick it like that.
This is ABC. ABC. I will do the ABC. Bye.